Hi, welcome to the new video. Today I'm doing another portrait on the Samsung Galaxy Tab. I put a primer on the surface and put a sticker over the camera. Colors are black and white as opaque colors as usual. And I'm doing a black and white portrait, so I'm not using any other colors. So this is the first full black stencil. And in there are all the position points that I need for the next stencils. This is now the first dark gray. And I'm doing some extra stuff for the beard. This is now the gray. Still working with the black airbrush. And now I'm doing some freehand for the beard, and I'm giving the whole face a gray tone. And this is a final gray, which is just a light gray. And now there are two stencils left, which is the white and the cover up with the full white. So the part in the eyes and the glasses, I'm doing whiter than the rest because there are reflections in there. And now comes the cover stencil with the full white. First I'm going to do some dark black background. And now I'm doing the full white. And this time there's only the eye reflection than the glasses. And there you have it. For the picture I put some black on the beard again. And if you like it, you can subscribe my channel.